Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming account essentials. Sign into Applid. Apple. Com and verify the email, billing address, and primary payment method. Once done, open the App Store and view your purchase history to identify the specific decline charge. Make sure you have a working Wi-Fi connection and a secondary payment method ready. These let you test fixes immediately. If a receipt or bank decline code exists, copy it. This quick verification narrows the problem and avoids needless steps later. Now tackle the payment flow. Update the card on file or add a new one, and if possible, use Apple ID balance to avoid bank blocks. Next, clear App Store cache by tapping any tab 10 times, then sign out of your Apple ID and sign back in. Restart the device and retry the purchase. If the bank declined, call them, confirm there's no fraud hold, and get an authorization code. These steps address both Apple and bank causes so you can proceed. Finish by resolving lingering charges. Request a refund for duplicates via Report a Problem. Apple. Com or the App Store purchase history and remove pending charges if allowed. If the issue persists, contact Apple support through chat or phone, give them the transaction ID and any bank authorization codes, and follow their guided steps. Make sure to try resetting network settings before drastic moves. If nothing works, switching to a different Apple ID or using family purchase sharing can be a temporary workaround until the root issue is cleared.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.